Hey groomers, Tyler and Smokey here. Just want to teach you or ask you a little bit about these thinning, texturizing scissors. See what you guys kind of like and explain a little bit about them. Sorry, I'm moving the camera, trying to get that line out of there. So here's the first one. It's like a very fine finishing scissor. It's got the kind of like a hybrid step up V tooth. So the hair goes in there and then this blade comes down and chops it. So that one's really good for finishing. We got this hybrid thing that just looks cool, not sure, but it leaves a different type of texture. Then we have these blenders. So blenders have like a step up, more aggressive tooth. So that tooth leaves the hair at a couple different lengths there when this comes down, so you get less lines and a lot of good aggressive thinning power with some nice blenders. So that's these kind of teeth, very nice. And these are pretty new. This is like a hybrid between like a chunker and a thinner. I've seen them called piano teeth thinners or fluffers. I like them so far. The blade is very thick on the back, so many more sharpenings, and you could even sharpen this side or serrate it if your sharpener can do that. But these things they just take so much hair off. They're pretty sweet. And then we have your normal thinner that most of you have in your toolbox, just with that V. So the hair goes in there and this comes down and slices it. That's why you don't sharpen those teeth off. So yeah, those are just like your everyday thinners. Next we have these funky ones. They're called no line thinners. So they have the V notch on that tooth, and then the other side are still toothed, but they're convexed. So they give a really nice smooth finish. They say no lines, so less lines on them. Nice for finishing work as well. I wouldn't use these as your workhorse. And then we have these two other ones that are basically just your normal thinner, but they're just smaller for like eye scoops on Yorkies or Shih Tzus or Shih Tzus, however you say it. And they just have the normal V, but they're very nice and small. This one is actually, the one on the right is actually a little smaller and has 5 extra teeth, so it's a little finer. But what is your favorite type of texturizing scissor? Just these types. I know there's so many out there. And then you also have your chunkers, but I just had these ones laying on my bus, so just wanted to make a little video explaining to you what to look for when you're buying a new thinner, and just to kind of see what you guys like for thinners and blenders. Maybe I'll do one on chunkers and their weird teeth too. And this one you might see a double appearance because it kind of is a crossover. So let me know. All right, I hope this helps. Bye.